Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the lock model and firmware because reset steps vary by device. Once verified, remove the cover and power source. Replace weak batteries now so they don't interrupt the process. Make sure you have the original programming code or master PIN, a small screwdriver, and a stable work surface. These avoid delays. Now locate the reset hole or button on the interior module and prepare to press and hold it. This begins the core reset sequence. You press and hold the reset button for the duration specified by your model, often 10 to 30 seconds. This clears stored settings. While holding, watch for LED flashes or listen for beep patterns that confirm each stage, because feedback indicates success. Once you reach the indicated sequence, release the button and wait the recommended pause, then reinsert fresh batteries if removed earlier. Make sure to keep the interior and exterior aligned during the. You now reconfigure the lock. Repair it with the app or enter the master code to restore user codes and network settings. Once paired, test the lock through 3 full cycles, lock, unlock, battery status, to confirm reliable operation. If pairing fails or the lock behaves erratically, try a second reset, replace batteries with fresh ones, and verify your phone's Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. If problems persist, note error LED patterns. They point to battery, motor, or module faults for targeted troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.